Hi everyone, welcome back on best practice at home on hearing and speech disorder. Today we'll be working on stage 2, that's about listening the practice session. So I have 3 points to cover. One is on the concept, and second is on the sequence, and the third is on objects, new object introductions. So I'll be working with my daughter to show you the concepts, how we can include the concept in their play. Danvi, could you please come here? So I have a concept which is inside outside. You can use some kind of puzzles, fast and slow, wet and dry, big and small. So can you tell me the opposite of big?
Elephant is big, rat is small.
Correct. Can you tell me opposite of wet?
Grass is wet, grass is dry.
Dry. Correct. Dry. Opposite of fast?
Rabbit is fast, turtle is slow.
Rabbit is fast, tortoise is slow. She's giving an explanation with respect to a pictorial representation. Who is inside?
Inside, dog is outside.
Yeah. Opposite of inside? Outside. You can use such kind of puzzles, or you can also draw in a book like push, pull, thick, thin.
There is apple there.
Yes.
Sticker.
Something like this.
There is sticker is there.
Sticker is there, yes. Front, back. So this is how we can introduce them to the concepts. Once they are through with the concept, you can implement that concept in the activities. So can you show me which is a big duck and a small duck?
Mother duck is big.
Correct.
Baby duck is small.
Right. Can you roll? So big and small was introduced in concept. Can you roll the big ball and the small ball? Big ball fast and small ball slow. Correct. So fast and slow was also introduced in the concept. So likewise, wet and dry, inside outside, everything can be incorporated with the activities. So once the child is through with this, we will go ahead with the sequences. So for example, sequence is you can use the toys again. So can you arrange the toys in a sequence of mother duck goes, mother duck is first, then sister duck, and then last is baby duck. Will follow.
And we can sit down.
Turn this side and make them to follow. Okay. Baby duck is sitting. I said mother duck, sister duck, and then baby duck. So mother duck, sister duck, and then baby duck. Right. So this is the sequence which she arranged. This sequence will also help them in building up the speech. For example, when we say pick the ball. So I'm picking the ball. Pick the ball. So this is a sequence. If I say ball pick, it's not a possible speech. Can you place? Yes. Can you place big ball, medium ball, and a small ball? First roll big ball, and then roll small ball, medium ball, and the last is small ball. First you have to roll big ball, then medium ball, and the last is small ball.
All fell down.
All fell down. Okay. Okay. Pick it from my hand. What did I say? First.
That's the big ball.
Right. Roll it fast. Right. And then.
Yeah.
Correct. Right.
And small.
Correct. And so she understood the sequence here. Can you put the ball inside the box? Okay, it's gone. Slow. Inside, and now the ball is outside. Inside, outside is also a concept.
And big ball.
Big ball is gone. That's okay.
And the sticker.
You can take it later. So this is about the sequence, and slowly once they are through with the object, arranging them in a sequence, you can move on to, don't make noise. You can move on to Stories. I have created a small story. For example, a boy, you can draw it in hand, a rough draw. A boy got a sugar cane, he bit the sugar cane and then he started crying. This is a small sequence. So, Dhanvi, do you know the story? Can you please arrange it in sequence, one after other? Give them some time so that they look at the picture and they make it sequence. Oh, it's gone. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. So 1, 2 is right. That's okay. Come here. Can you arrange this sequence in this story, you know? Greedy dog. Can you arrange it in sequence?
1, 2.
So over here, they look into the picture. What was the first picture? And then they slowly form that into a sequence.
I'm looking picture here.
Okay, fine. You have to look at these pictures. Last, right. So what she made, what child will make out, the dog is hungry and the dog found a bone. They look at the picture and then it will hold the bone in its mouth while walking back to eat. Look into a river. Then the bone fell down. Then the greedy dog lost his bone. So this is how they arrange. This will definitely help them in the speech, for the fluency of their language. So if you feel, Dhanvi, thanks for arranging. You can go now.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is how they can learn the sequences in objects as well as
I love
sequences.
you.
Okay, sequences in objects and sequences in stories, and also the concept will help them to connect these sequences. If you feel this information is helpful, I would request you to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.